So, moving toward the second topic of chapter number 3, importance of business environment. So, student, let's see what is the importance of business environment. You are aware of the features of business environment. So, what is the importance, what is the significance of business environment? A good understanding of environment by business managers enables them not only to identify and evaluate external forces. It's easy for them to identify external forces, but also to react to the forces external to their firm. Then firstly, it will help them to identify external forces, and secondly, how smartly they have to react it will help that. So, what are the importance of business environment? See on your screen. The very first one, identifying opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Then the identifying threats and early warning signals, coping with rapid changes, tapping useful resources, help planning and policy formulation, and helps in improving performance. So these are the importance of business environment. Moving toward the first importance of business environment, it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Just now we discussed what is opportunity in the previous video. That is, opportunity refers to the positive external trends or changes that will help a firm to improve its performance. So, whatever positive things are there in an environment, that is termed as opportunities. Now, again, I am reading out the heading. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Now, what is the meaning? The firm, business organization, they have to identify all the positive things in this business environment. They have to grab all the opportunities, and then the very important part, and be the first one to grab the opportunities. I'm reading out the line from there. Early identification of opportunities helps an enterprise to be the first to exploit them instead of losing them to competitors. If they are not going to grab it first, definitely their competitors are going to grab it. For example, is given over there, that is Maruti Udyog become the leader in the small car market because it was the first to recognize the need for small cars in an enterprise, because Maruti has already seen the maximum middle class people are there and they can afford only the small cars. They grab this opportunity and hence they enjoy the benefit of that. Moving towards the next, it helped the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. In the first point we are talking about, we have already talked about opportunities. In the second point, in this point, we are going to talk about the threats or the negative things. Threat refers to the external environment, trends and changes that will hinder a firm's performance, or that is going to create a problem for a firm. Now, environmental awareness can help managers to identify various threats on time. Now, that is also very important that they have to, within time only, on time only, they have to identify those threats and they have to take necessary steps. For example, if an Indian firm finds that a foreign multinational is entering the Indian market with new substitutes, it should act as a warning signal. They should take it as a warning signal and immediately they should take some necessary steps. Then only they can survive in this environment. Moving towards next, third point, importance of business environment. It helps in tapping useful resources. Now, environment is a source of resource. Definitely, when business is working in this environment, all the resources, all the things are taken from this environment and given back to environment. So, I am reading out the line over there. Environment is a source of various resources for running a business. To engage in any type of activity, a business enterprise assemble various resources called input. It means they are taking all the inputs from this environment. The business enterprise supply its output to this environment only. So that is very important. Now the important thing, that is the enterprise design policies that allow it to get the resources that it needs so that it can convert those resources into output that the environment desire. This can be done by better understanding what the environment has to offer. So very important thing, it helps in tapping useful resources. If they are aware of environment, they can collect resources from the environment, and they can give output to the environment whatever is required. For that, understanding of environment is very important. Moving towards next, fourth, it helps in coping with rapid changes. Today's business environment is getting increasingly dynamic. It is always dynamic, students. So today's business environment is getting increasingly dynamic, where changes are taking place at a very fast pace. Rapid changes in technology and intense global competition. Because of the globalization, now the enterprise, they have to face competition not only with the competitors from their home country, but also from the foreign countries. So rapid changes in technology and intense global competition are just a few of the images used to describe today's business environment. So if they want to cope with this rapid, in order to effectively cope with these significant changes, manager definitely they should understand and examine the environment, and accordingly they should take steps. So the heading goes, it help in coping with rapid changes. If they understand the environment, then they can accordingly they can take necessary course of action. Fifth one, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Now, definitely in an organization, opportunities are there, threats are there. So it is very important for business organization to understand opportunities which are there in the environment and the threats which are there in the environment. So after analyzing opportunities and threat, then only they have to plan, or they have to make their policies, they have to take decisions. So it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. And the last point, it helps in improving performance. The final reason for understanding business environment relates to whether or not it really makes a difference in the performance of an enterprise. The answer is that it does appear to make a difference. The enterprise that continuously monitor their environment and adopt suitable business practices are the one which not only improve their present performance but also continue to succeed in the market for a longer period. So that of course that is there. So if constantly, it's not that once you have monitor environment, so it's enough. Constantly business organization, they have to monitor environment constantly, they have to take decisions accordingly. So continuously, if they are going to monitor it, it will help improving its performance. Business can improve its performance. Here we have finished with importance of business environment. That's it, students. Thank you.